Hey everybody, it's Miss A, and I am here with a video on how to do, oops, I'm opening the wrong thing, how to do some of the things that we have, oopsie doopsie, oops, where'd I go? How to do for our PowerPoint. We're talking about Florida facts, and we're learning about Florida and their government. So some of the things that we need to do, and we're working on a PowerPoint together, so this is going over the PowerPoint pieces. What is needed is a slide on the state bird, the state flower, the state wildflower, the state mammal, which says the state animal on the website that I gave you, the state reptile, the state freshwater mammal, the state saltwater mammal, the state butterfly, the state saltwater fish, the state freshwater fish, and a slide on the statehood. And I will be grading you on your ability to screen clip and also if it is legible, because that's what I'm looking for. This is a presentation program. We're creating a presentation. This is an example of what I should see. So I did share these websites with you, and you have access to them through your office. You click on the website, and the website brings you, once you click on it, it'll bring you to a page. And it brings you to the page on the flag, and that's fine. On the right-hand side here, you will see all of the different items and things that are there. And again, remember, the state animal is the state mammal. So I want to click on the wildflower. That's one I haven't put in yet. So I look at the wildflower, and I see the text is small enough to fit. I don't need to adjust anything. If your text is too long, you can do 2 slides, and just on that second slide, put the rest of the text and put a continuation with the animal name. And you can put the website if you want to. So I'll show you how to do all of that. So this is my state wildflower. This is the last thing I'm looking at before I go back into my PowerPoint I want to clip into. So I'm going to go into my PowerPoint that I want to clip into. This is my PowerPoint I want to clip into. So let's say I didn't have a blank slide here. What I can do, because I like this slide, it looks like a picture frame to me, I can right-click over here on the actual slides and duplicate the slide. And when I duplicate the slide, I now have the access to the exact same thing. I just erase the current picture, and now I have a blank slide to work with. I go into Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clippings, and it'll bring me back to the last thing I looked at. It'll fog out. Once it fogs out, you use your left hand and hold down the left button, and you use your right hand to go on your mouse pad to drag for the area that you want to clip. So this is the area I want to clip, and you see how it lightens up. It's not fogged out. Once I do that, it brings it right to my page that I was on. Now I want to increase the size somewhat, but I do want to make sure that it is legible. If you pull from the left and right corners, that will make it bigger without changing the, it won't make it look grainy. If I pull from the top or bottom, it'll stretch it top and bottom. If I pull from the left or right middles, and I'll show you what it looks, oh wait, no, that's just moving it. If I pull from the left or right middles, it'll stretch it out. Now some things will look okay if they're stretched out, some will look pretty silly. So this is okay, stretched out, but I think I want to bring it back because I do want to put in my website that I got that from. So I will show you how to do that. Go back to the internet where you were at. Up here on the address bar, I'm going to highlight, I click on it, it automatically turns blue. I hit Control C. When I hit Control C, that copies the web address. And then on my PowerPoint, I hit Control V. And that then puts my web address on my PowerPoint. I need to move it a little bit. Here we go. Oh. Let me go here, Insert, Text Box, Control V, there's my website. I have my website. I'm going to go ahead and change it to white since it's on a black background. And then I can turn it black, I think. There we go. and then I can bring my state flower here, and there I have access to the information. The picture and the website is here. Now, if you want the website to be highlighted, to be an active link, you can, after you paste it, you hit enter and it'll change colors, and that makes it an active link, which means I could access that. If I make this a slideshow, I could click on this. See how I have a hand there and it pulls it up, and now that will take me directly to the page of where I obtained this information, and it's right there. All right, I hope this video helps. Remember, I will be grading you on screen clipping, legibility, neatness. So that's what I'm looking for on these pages, and you do require a page for each one. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.